Hello traders, hope you are all doing great and this is Umar with you and today is a day where we have broken many records. Today is a day we made the biggest loss in this financial year. Today alone we made a loss of more than 3 lakhs which I am going to share with you in just few moments. And not only that, today is a day where we exhausted our margin 100% margin utilization, and also today is the day we have punched the most number of orders. So it was a kind of hectic day, right? This volatility is really killing us. And this geopolitical situation, unless until this geopolitical nightmare is not over, we are not going to go anywhere. Market is going to be very choppy, and that is what is happening. I can see that massive today what happened, from 17,000 it gapped up. Actually, it gapped up, right? 17,350 levels came to 17,204. 17,250 we went short in the market, then reversed and hit 17,400. When it was reversing, we went long in the market again. 17,300 aggressive. I don't know what word to put for this kind of violent move in the market. And all this is because of geopolitical situation, because of Russia and Ukraine. Many people were telling, this media people know they are killing us because just to increase their TRP rating or just to increase their this curiosity among people, they are just bringing fake news. Now people are talking that Russia never withdraw its troop. It was all rumor. And today there was a news report that Russia is adding troops to Ukraine border. So I don't know when this is going to get over. Unless until this is not over, this thing is not over, we are going to face problems. And let me show you my screen. Yeah, one second. Where is that? Okay. Yeah, and I hope you can see the screen, right? So today, this is our Zerodha account, and look at the losses we made in Zerodha account only. We made a loss of around 86,560 in our Zerodha account. Then we made a loss of 64,650 in our Zebu account. Then a loss of around 79k, right? Zero the 85k. Then another Zebu account around how much? How much is that? Yeah, this one around 64k. Then another two Zebu account we made a loss of more than 80k. So total. So if you see the total losses we made a loss of more than 3,06,000, and we don't know the actual figure yet. This is just a trailer. We'll have to see the actual figure tonight only. So tonight or tomorrow morning only I'm going to get the contract. If we get the contract only, we will know the exact loss we made today. So that's a 3 lakh loss with a capital of around 1 crore. Yeah, 1 crore plus. So it's a loss of 3% in single trading session. That is the problem. This is one of the worst day in this financial year. And why am I saying this is because people tell come to comment session and tell you only show the losses, you only show the profit, you don't tell the losses, but see how much we have lost. In one single trading session, we have lost 3 lakhs. But it is not like what we, it's not like what we think. Because what happened is that if you already we were in a good profit. Last 2 weeks we were in a good profit. We were into loss only by this last 1 week only we were into heavy loss. That is the reason. That was the reason. This 1 week was the main reason for the losses incurred. So in case we touch a portfolio stop loss of more than 3% or even 3.5%, we will stop trading for some time. Until then, we will be in the markets, right? We cannot shut the shop. There is no other option. We have to, even though markets are choppy, even though markets are highly volatile, we don't have any other way, right? We cannot shut the shop. So we will see unless this geopolitical nightmare is finished, or unless this is not finished, this geopolitical nightmare is not finished, markets are not going to go anywhere. It is going to swing between 17,000 and 17,800. Today morning I think 17,400 was the highest resistance, because I was seeing high call rating in 17,400. Now what we did is, when the market went to 17,200, I shorted. I have written aggressive calls. Then once immediately when the market went on the opposite direction, we really were struggling and we were trying to cover the losses. Since we had huge volumes, we were not able to, and India VIX also was even India VIX is highly volatile. Not only India VIX, even Dow future was volatile. Dow future at one point of the time morning, it was down by 150 points. Then afternoon it was up. Then when Europe opened, it turned green. Then after 2 or 2:30, it went in the red. And I think as of now, as I talk to you, US futures are still in the red. And no use in talking about this data. I don't think any data is working. You see, we are, where do you think the mark? That's what I'm telling you. It is swinging between, either it has to go above 17,800, or on the downside it has to go below 17,000. Unless until this range is not broken, it is not, this trend is not going to be set. That's what I have been observing for the last 1 week. The choppiness, I think I can show you. If you see this one, where is that? Yeah. If you see the Nifty 50 chart, let me open the Nifty 50 chart for you. And if you see here, look at the choppiness for the last 1 week. This is daily chart, and since 11th February, high was around 17,454, and the next day low was around 16,800. 17,800 is the highest point, and 16,800 is the lowest point. In between this, markets are highly, on 11th February, after 11th February, we gapped down and opened at 17,076. Next day, we rallied, we went how much? 500 points, then 2 days of choppiness. So it's literally killing the market participants, retailers. That is the problem we are facing here, right? So I'm kind of thinking better to go for vacation. This is the best time to go for vacation, I think. These kind of volatile move, really I cannot handle. See, and I'll tell you one more thing. Even though I show around 6 lakhs, not 6 lakhs, 3 lakh loss, we were in profit only. Things are not as bad as what you think. We were in profit, okay? We were in good profit, say, till second week of February. We were in a profit of around 4.5 lakhs. Now this 3 lakh loss today and yesterday, I think we made around 1 lakh or 1.5 lakhs. So combined, if you see, we are cost to cost only now. Either we are in profit, or maybe we might be in minor loss. That we will know tonight only. So there is 1 more week to go, and we will see how things pan out, right? So the reason I was showing this profit and losses, because see how the markets are choppy and how you think retail people are suffering. So that's why I want to show this to many people, to you people, and even many people in social media, YouTube. You go all red, everybody is posting only red, everybody is posting only losses. So that's why I want to convey you, if you think markets are very choppy and if you think you don't want to trade, it is better. And I've been telling this since last 1 week. Taking no trade is also a best trade. So if you feel you don't want to trade, just take some rest and and I think it is time to take good rest. And if you want, you can. Sometimes that's what. Sometimes taking no trade is also a good trade. So nothing much. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.